So here it is, the all-new Audi A3 Sportback. Very stylish. I really like the fresh design. And if you look at it, you clearly see, yes, it's an Audi. The front with the matrix LED headlights and the specific light signature. I also really like the new architecture of the flank. But the new design is not the only new highlight, right, Hildegard?
No, of course not. I mean, this car also has a lot of inner values. So, for example, there is a lot of innovation in there that you usually know from the luxury class, which is now presented in the A3 for the first time. But then if you look into connectivity, you know, this is so important for our customers. Of course, the A3 comes all connected, seamlessly connected. And we also use in car-to-X communication. So you can connect your car and it sends data and receives data from the environment, which, for example, is important when you look for a parking space. But then if you look, you know that sustainability is really important for us at Audi. And we have, of course, electrification. The TFSI has already the mild hybrid in there. And we're also offering the A3 as a plug-in hybrid with even 2 different power levels. But you know, sustainability is not just a question of the electrification. We are also doing sustainability ideas in the interior concept. So the A3 for the first time shows that the upholstery, for example, is made out of recycled PET bottles, which I think is a great concept.
Wow, that's a great feature and a really nice approach. And it's true that the A3 offers something for everybody. Now, you are presenting the Sportback today, but which other members will join the A3 family?
Yeah, the Sportback is just the first member, as you rightly say, and there will be the sedan following. But I think it's also exciting for everyone to know that there's a plug-in hybrid, but there will also be a successor of our S3 model. And you know what? Probably there will be even a super sporty A3 following soon.
Well, it sounds like 2020 is off to a great start for Audi.
Yes, that's true. I mean, we're going to launch another 20 new or updated models this year, so it will definitely keep us busy, and it's a super exciting year ahead.
Okay. One more question, just between the two of us. What is the next highlight that you really are looking forward to this year?
Well, you know, I love electric cars, and also I love performance. And now we have a perfect combination of the two of them. That's the e-tron S.
That's awesome. Thank you, Hildegard.